Hey, how's it going? In this video, we will be going through how to push your Fireflies AI transcripts into Airtable in a very lean and easy way. So to such effect, I will assume that you already have a Fireflies account, and I will be showing you a basic Airtable base. Right here, I have a bookings table and a contacts table, okay? As you can see, I have nothing at all in my bookings table yet. I do know that many of you might already have a field for the date, for the event name, attendees, so on and so forth. Well, the truth is that as soon as you integrate Fireflies directly with Airtable, Fireflies will take care of creating some of those fields for you. That's why I am starting with a pretty blank table. So let's go to our Fireflies account. If we go all the way to integrations, you'll be able to search right here for Airtable, okay? So as you can see, this will show up and you will be now able to connect the corresponding account. A pop-up will show on your screen asking you to log in and to connect the corresponding resources or bases. I will select add all resources, current and future bases, in all current and future workspaces. I will grant access to it, and I will now need to do the following, which is on this right margin, I will need to select which base I want to push my transcripts to. Do remember that you can do this for multiple bases. So you can have multiple Airtable integrations. In this case, I will select my bookings demo base. I'll continue. I will need to select the corresponding table where I want to send these transcriptions to. I will select the bookings table, which as we saw, and as we can see right here, it is pretty blank, meaning that I only have a link to contacts, which I created, and we do not have any other field. So if I click on continue, and what I'll do now is I'll click to create sample meeting. See what happens as soon as I click here. Before even clicking, you can already see how automatically Fireflies created for me the date, the title, summary, participants, and link fields, right? This one I already had. So that's why I started off with a blank table. If I go back here and I click to create sample meeting, that will push data to my table, okay? Now, as you can see, this is sending over the date, the title, the summary, the participants, and the link. However, for participants, this is sending basically an array or actually text of comma-separated emails for all participants for such call. Now, as you can see, and as usually as CRMs work, is you will definitely want to have your transcripts or your bookings linked to the actual contacts that you already have. So what I did to such effect is I have this contacts table where, as you can see, I'm using the email as a primary field. A workaround could be found to get this done otherwise. Now, this will still work for now. And what I'd like to do is I would like to have an automation that will link all of these participants to my contacts. What I did is this linked record field allows me to link multiple records to it. So I built an automation which says basically, hey, when a new record is created, where in the bookings table, then update the record in the, let's get rid of this and let's build it together. Basically update the record in the bookings table. Which record should be updated? The record which triggered the automation, meaning this record using its record ID. What we will update is the contact field, and what we will push is the value found under participants. So as soon as I do that, if I go back here and I say, for instance, hey, push new sample data, this will show up, and therefore our automation is pushing this value into our contact field, given that it matches the primary field, which is the email, that will link our bookings or transcripts to the corresponding contacts. Hope this helps.